Most people see onions as just another kitchen staple, but they're much more than that. Onions are a reliable, high-value crop for anyone with a bit of land. They store for months so you can eat or sell them long after harvest. Unlike delicate greens, they're tough, need little pest control, and you can grow a lot in a small space. Every kitchen, restaurant, and grocery store needs onions, so demand is steady all year. For small growers, that means predictable income and food security. Onions thrive with honest work and basic care. They're hardy, not fussy, and you can count on a good yield if you plan right. Growing onions is a straightforward way to turn a patch of dirt into something valuable. It's honest work with a clean reward. If you want a crop that pays you back, onions are a smart bet. That's why they're worth your time and effort. Onions don't need luxury, but they do have a few must-haves. Start with loose, well-draining soil. Bulbs need space to swell, not hard-packed clay. Break up the ground, add compost, and make sure water drains well to avoid rot. Pick a spot with at least 6 hours of direct sun. Onions need light to grow big and healthy. Don't cram them together. Space bulbs 4 to 6 inches apart in rows a foot apart. Crowding leads to small, weak onions. Healthy soil is alive with worms and microbes, so feed it with compost or well-rotted manure. Skip the chemical fertilizers. Focus on building living soil. Good soil and sunlight are the foundation for a strong crop. Take time to prep your patch right, and you'll see the payoff all season. A little planning now means less work and better onions later. Get the groundwork right, and you're halfway to success. That's the real secret. Want a head start? Use onion sets, small bulbs from last year. They're faster and more reliable than seeds, giving you bigger, more uniform onions. Plant sets in straight rows for easy weeding, watering, and monitoring. Organization saves time and effort all season. Weeds are your enemy. Pull them early and often, or they'll steal water and nutrients. A clean field means a bigger harvest. Water consistently, about an inch per week, but don't drown your onions. Let the soil dry a bit between waterings. When the tops yellow and fall, stop watering. This helps onions toughen up for storage. Timing and attention make all the difference. Smart techniques mean less work and more profit. Start strong, stay organized, and you'll reap the rewards. That's how you farm onions the smart way. Planting too late is a classic mistake. Onions need an early start to grow big tops and bulbs. Get them in the ground as soon as the soil can be worked in spring. Don't overdo the fertilizer, especially nitrogen. Too much late in the season means lush tops but tiny bulbs. Feed the soil early with compost, then let onions do their thing. Neglecting soil prep leads to compacted beds and stunted bulbs. Work in plenty of organic matter. Don't ignore storage. Even perfect onions will rot, if not cured right. After harvest, dry onions in a warm, airy spot for a couple of weeks. Once the skins are papery, store them in a cool, dry, well-ventilated place. Never in plastic. Mesh bags or single layers work best. Proper curing and storage lock in your hard-earned harvest. Avoid these common mistakes, and your onions will reward you. It's all about timing, soil, and care. Get those right, and you're set. The humble onion is a steady, reliable crop that pays off with honest work. You don't need fancy tools, just good soil, sunlight, and a bit of planning. Start with healthy soil, use sets for a head start, and give your onions space and sun. Stay ahead of weeds, water wisely, and cure your harvest well. Success comes from doing the basics right, every step of the way. Anyone can grow great onions with a patch of ground and some effort. Follow the fundamentals, and onions will do the rest. It's a simple, rewarding path from dirt to value. Sometimes, the simplest crops are the most dependable. That's the beauty of onions.